The Disc Profile Test Worksheet will help you in the feedback and direction of people, providing greater evolution in professional and personal life. It is possible to know which behaviors the person usually has through a self-evaluation and another evaluation from third parties. The Disc Profile Test Worksheet will help you in the feedback and direction of people, providing greater evolution in professional and personal life. It is possible to know which behaviors the person usually has. The first step in using the spreadsheet is to register the person who will undergo the profile analysis. Clicking on Register will open a window where below you will have all the registrations made, and to insert a new one just click on New, and then fill in all the necessary data. After filling in, just click on Save and the new record will be inserted. If you want, you can also edit, selecting some of these listed records and changing some data. By clicking Save he will change. We have a Delete button to delete any if you wish, and a search area to search for a specific one. After registering the interviewee, you will open the test form, and here select the person registered after clicking on New. Select the person and answer the Disc Profile evaluation questions, giving a score from 1 to 4 for each of the questions. After filling in the questions, you can go on to the next steps. When you finish the registration, you will have both in the dashboard and in the report an option to select the name of the user who took the test, and then in reports you can generate a PDF file of this table or view for printing directly on this page, containing the disc profile analysis of that user according to his answers. This was our Disc Profile Test Worksheet. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.